Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply iOS launcher on this smartphone. First of all, just access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now you need to type in iOS launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, just open it. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups to show, and when they do, just wait using the app and allow in all of them. Then swipe up and choose Home button. After that, you need to access devices settings and click on Apps and Notifications over here. Then select Default Apps and finally click on Home app. Now you can apply iOS launcher by clicking on it and choosing Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and choosing Asus Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!